welcome back to my channel, Jay's Creative Space. Today I have another Dollar Tree Christmas haul for you. Before I get started with the haul, I gotta take a moment to welcome you back. Hey, and if you're new, welcome. If you are new, what we do here, well, we do crafts, hauls, and DIYs. We just have fun here. With that said, let's get on to this Dollar Tree Christmas haul. So, like I mentioned, this is another, I know y'all, another Dollar Tree Christmas haul, but this stuff I still got when it was $1, not the $1.25, price increase. But anyway, the first thing I have is this, they're calling a cosmetic case. And I saw this on Instagram and I knew like, oh my gosh, I want that. And this is the color that I actually want. I don't know if you can tell, but it's like a white pearly look to it. And here's what the case looks like, the button looks like. I'm going to go ahead and open it. Here's what it looks like open. And I got, if there's actually a pretty good size mirror, but of course I have to cover it because it would completely, like, the light would blind you. But here's what it looks like, and it has like a top shelf and a bottom shelf, and it just reminds me of like a mini travel caboodle. I actually did buy that. I bought this for work. You know how you have your work tote bag, and I thought this would be good to hold things like ponytail holders, like chapstick, things that you need for work. You could put probably a couple of pads and tampons in here too. Just stuff that you need like that for work that if you forget, then it's like, oh man, it's kind of like an inconvenience. So that's why I not only grabbed one of these, they actually have one like this too that's a pencil case and it doesn't have a mirror. So I'm looking for those because I would like to get those as well. I'm just showing some hair accessories. And while this isn't Christmas, I mean, you could use this as a stocking stuffer. So this first hair accessory is just like these little, hair spirals are what they're calling it. And they have the little dangly beads. My girls, we use this in their braids, like when they wear braids in their hair. As you can see on the picture, the girl, I don't know if you can see, but she has braids, and we just kind of use this like braid jewelry. So I grabbed one of these, and I've gotten these before from Dollar Tree, and they actually hold up really well. And the next little hair clip, I hope I can find a mate to this. I don't know if you can tell on camera how sparkly that is, but I usually like to buy hair clips like this in twos. So I only found one, and I have not seen it any other Dollar Tree, but I really love wearing their little hair clips. They're so cute. And I got this for myself actually, but this could be a stocking stuffer. So next I got these other hair clips, and I got these for myself as well. And as you can see, they have these pretty like little jewels on them. They had one just like it with a pearl at the end, but I didn't like those. So I just grabbed these, and let me show you. They're like an alligator clip. See? But like I said, I wear their hair clips all the time. I have no issues with them. I really like them. And so once again, if you have older girls or even just like grown women that you're gifting to, these will make a really pretty gift. We're getting into the Christmas stuff. So I got this wrapping paper, and I only grabbed 2 rolls this year, and I'm gonna go ahead and open it so you can see them better. The first one I thought would match like my tree and stuff really good, and it's just candy cane. Oh, also this is the Hallmark paper. I forgot to tell you that, and it's 40 square feet. So, but here's one roll I got, and that just has like candy canes all over it. And here is the other one, and y'all, if you're not new, you know I love a good red truck. Oh, I think I have it upside down. There we go. That's much better. But that's just the print on this one, and I just thought it was pretty and cute, so I grabbed it. So next I have this Christmas plate. I only grabbed one because I wanted to make just a pedestal out of it, get something and elevate it a little bit. But they had the plates like this, the bowls, the cups, the shorter cups. They also had a snowflake plate, and I should have taken a picture to show you. But even if you use these as your Christmas plates, look how pretty these are. These are so pretty. No one would know that you got this from Dollar Tree at all. And Dollar Tree also sells like really pretty chargers to put these on top of as well. So these bells, I think I may have showed these in another haul. I'm not sure, these jingle bells, but just in case I didn't, I'm just going to show you now. And if you look at the bottom, if you can see the bottom right here, they actually have a snowflake shape in the bottom of them. Oh, you can see it better on this side. And they work. I thought these were really pretty. And I mean, these look like from Hobby Lobby. That's why I keep looking at the box, because I'm like, did I get these from Hobby Lobby or Dollar Tree? I cannot even, I can't even tell. So I finally found the Christmas boxes and Christmas tins. Yay! So that's just what I'm going to share with you now. Look at the paper on the side. I did a haul with this same print on a gift box. So this is going to match. Okay, I definitely have to use this now because I have a gift box that with that same print on here. So it kind of matches back to each other. And this has a little penguin on there on his little sled. If you wanted to, you could take this off and the design is still under here. And if you wanted to craft with this. Next, I'm going to get into the Christmas tins. And I was so happy to find them. My idea was that I was going to put most of my stuff in the Christmas tins and not wrap presents really this year. I'm going to still put what I can in here. And I know these tins are like, people put like cookies and baked goods in them, but I'm going to put Christmas presents in them. But the first one I found was this one, and it says Sweet Christmas Wishes, and it's the gingerbread, and it's so cute. And here's what the side looks like. Look at that. So pretty. Let me open that. That's just what it looks like on the inside. I think they all look the same on the inside, but I really, really love this print. This is really cute. The next one I found was this like mug of like hot cocoa, and it says have a cup of cheer, and look at it on the sides, it has gingerbread men. This is a round tin, and this is what it looks like. These are the kind of tins that, you know, after Christmas cookies are gone, your grandma will put like her sewing stuff inside. Another round tin and I got, and this just says season's greeting, and it's the cardinal, and it has a cardinal all the way around. I really, really love this one, and it's just gold on the inside as well. Also, they come in different sizes, so can you tell the difference in size of these two? So I'm just showing you so that if you don't want the smaller ones, like I didn't realize that this was a smaller one until I grabbed this one. So just be aware of that. So this is what I was saying about the size difference. I did not know that I grabbed the smaller penguin until I looked at this gingerbread man and realized, okay, there must have been a bigger one. So like I said, be aware, because now for $1.25, you want to get the best value that you can for your money. And this is what the inside of this looks like. I just thought this was cute. I mean, there's really no explanation to it. It's just a cute little penguin shaped tin and a gingerbread shaped tin. And this is what the inside looks like. So I've seen people haul this a while ago and we just now got them, but at least we did get them in, so I grabbed it. So here's another one with the size difference. I saw the gnomes and just went crazy and grabbed it. I don't know if you can see like the print on here with the gnomes, and also on the top. And these have a bow on top. I've never seen them do these tins before, so this is already, you definitely don't have to worry about wrapping this, and it already has a bow on top. All you gotta do is add the gift tag. But it's so cute. But I'm going to keep this, of course, for myself because it has a little gnomes, my little gnomes on there. And yeah, you know what? It's so funny because I used to just love snowmen. And now the gnomes are taking over my heart. It's like I'm cheating on the snowman with the gnomes. It's like the gnomes are like new, they're younger, they're cuter. Well, I mean, technically not younger. But you know what I mean? Like they're the new hot thing. And then like the snowman, I'm like, you know, I still love you while I'm looking at the gnomes. So anyway, y'all know I'm silly sometimes. But anyway, so here's the next one, and I really do love this print. I love everything, but I guess it doesn't take much to impress me. But this print is really cute. It's fun, and it just says Fabule, 'tis the season, just little different Christmas sentiments all over. And here's what the side looks like, and you know, the bow. But be careful when you pick, because once again, I was just grabbing a gnomes and didn't realize I was grabbing the smaller one. So try to get the bigger one if you can. So here's another one of those tins with the bow already on there. And here's another one with just like Christmas sentiments all over. This one has more of like the reindeer look to it. So I really like this. This will be so pretty to give. I have Christmas gift baskets coming up that, you know, that I'll be filming and showing you. So you'll see how I use some of these, and some of them I will be keeping because I just like them. Some of them, like these, I think I'm going to keep and alter. I was watching My Fairy Treasures and she was saying she's going to alter like the tins, and I was like, you know what, these would be cute to hold like my pins that I use for my planner, and I could take it with me if I wanted to do journaling or something like that on the go, or even some, oh, you know what you could do? Someone that does adult coloring, you could buy them some really nice markers and things like that and put in here. So anyway, enough with that ranting and rambling. That's the end of this Dollar Tree Christmas haul. I hope you enjoyed it, and I appreciate you, especially if you made it to the end. And I will see y'all next time. Bye.